Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and the driver so you can connect securely. Create a service account, grant it data viewer and job user roles, then download the JSON key. This key authenticates Excel. Once done, install the Bigquery ODK driver or the official Excel connector. This provides the bridge between Excel and Bigquery. Make sure your Google Cloud project has the Bigquery API enabled. After those files are in place, you're ready to configure a DSN or choose the connector in Excel and proceed to the next step. Now configure the connection and build the query that fetches your data. In ODK admin, create a DSN that references the Bigquery driver and load the JSON key for authentication. Test it to confirm connectivity. In Excel, choose Data Get Data from ODK or the Bigquery connector, select your DSN, then either paste a SQL query or use Power Query to filter and shape rows and columns. Once you preview results, adjust column types and reduce data volume with where clauses, then load to worksheet or the data model. Finish by loading and scheduling refresh so your Excel stays current. Choose Load Destination, Sheet or Data Model, and open Query Properties to set refresh on open or periodic refresh intervals. If you need scheduled cloud refresh, save the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint and configure refresh in Excel Online or Power Automate. If things go wrong, start by verifying the service account roles and JSON key validity. Then check driver version compatibility and system clock settings, because expired keys or clock skew.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.